Hello, welcome. Let's try to solve another Leetcode problem. 27. Remove element. So let's first try to understand the problem. So we are giving an integer array nums and an integer value, and we need to remove all occurrences of value in nums in place. Yeah, so let's just use the first example. We have 3, 2, 2, 3, and the value is 3. We just need to remove all the elements on which the value equals to 3. So for example, we're gonna remove this 3 and this 3. So this means all other numbers like the 2 will be filled up at this position. So we just need to return the index. So 2 and 2 will be here. So we're gonna return an index 2. So how can we solve it? So normally for this kind of in-place problem, we're going to use two pointers to solve it. So we have four numbers, 3, 2, 2, 3. So we need to define a pointer. So we're going to define a pointer. It is called position. So it's going to be starting from index 0. So this pointer means all the numbers before this pointer. It means the value gonna not equal to 3. So for example, this is a pointer. All the numbers before it, there's no numbers, it is okay. But what if this pointer moved to this position? So this means all the numbers before this pointer should not equal to 3. But this value is 3. It is not okay. So this means we need to move the number 2 to this position. And then we're going to update the pointer to this position. All the numbers should not equal to 3. Yeah. So this is the basic idea of how to solve it. If the number equal to 3, it is okay, because the definition of this pointer is all the numbers before it will not equal to 3. It is okay. So for example, if it is a 2, it is okay. Yeah. So we're gonna loop through the array to check all the numbers which is not equal to 3. If it is not equal to 3, we're gonna move it to all those positions. Yeah. So this is the basic idea. So let's just redo it. We have 3, 2, 2, 3. And this is our pointer place in P. And we're going to check this number. It is equal to 3. So it is okay. Now we're going to check the next number. It is 2. So 2 is not equal to 3. This means we need to remove this 2 to the position of 3. We're going to move it to here. And then this is going to be the pointer. So the number is equal to 2. It is okay. So this is the position. It's going to be to this position 2. It is okay. And then we're going to check this number. It is 2. It is okay. Now we're going to check this number 3. So it is a 3. Yeah, did I do something wrong? We're going to check this number 2. Yeah. So if this number 2 is not equal to 3, what are we going to do? We're going to move this number to the position here. So 2 is going to be here. And if we move a number to this position, definitely we need to update the pointer. Yeah. So we're going to update the pointer to this position. And then we're going to check the last number 3. 3 equal to 3, it is okay. So we don't need to do anything. If it is 3, 3, we don't need to do anything. We just need to remove all the numbers which is not equal to 3 to the position before the pointer P. This is the idea. So we're going to solve it in place, and we're going to solve it in O(n) time complexity. So we're going to define a position. It's going to be starting from 0. Now we just need to loop through the nums. Let's just use a pointer j. It's going to be starting from 0. J is going to less than nums.length, and we're going to update the pointer j. So the condition is that we're going to check all the numbers j. If numbers j not equal to the value, so this means we need to update it. Yeah. So if this number, we're gonna update it at this position. So the nums position gonna equal to nums j, because nums j not equal to the value. So after that, we're gonna update the position. So position gonna plus plus. Yeah. So finally, we just need to return the position. So this is the idea. Let me just run it. As you can see, it works. And now let me just submit it. As you can see, it passed for all testing cases, and it's pretty fast. So the time complexity is O(n), because we just use a for loop, and the space complexity is 01 because everything is in place, because we just used pointers to solve the problem. Yeah, I think if we understand the whole process, we define a position pointer p, so all the numbers before it, which have a value which is not equal to the value given inside the method, inside the function. If it is not equal, we're gonna move it. If it is equal, it is okay. We just ignore it. Yeah, and then we just need to return this position. Yeah, I think that's all about it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.